Hello guys, welcome back in another video. Today we are gonna see how they built Makuti roof. To build this kind of roof, we can basically divide the structure in two pieces. So the main one is the structure that holds the weight, so it's made with wood, and the second part is the part they use to cover, so it's just for sun and rain, which is made with palm leaf. This wood you can see in my back over there is the main wood they use for the structure, and it comes in very long pieces, around 5 or 6 meters, and this is what they use first to build the structure. They spent 3 days to build what you can see here, and maybe in a couple of days they will start with the cover. Guys, we are here 5 days later and the structure is almost done. They are just now going on with the paint, so they are finishing it with paint. That's good for water and humidity, and they start to put all the leaf on the structure so that when they have all, they can start to fit it together. So after they finish the structure we saw last time we have been here, they start putting lots of more pieces in the center to make the structure very strong, and I'm going to show you that part now. So as I told you before, this part is made with the leaf of the coconut tree, and they fit all together in wood pieces, and they just prepare piece by piece. It costs, like someone told me, like 7 or 8 cents, euro cents for each one, but I'm completely not sure about. So they had to bring it here with like a truck. They are going to use a lot of them because they want to put them very close like this, one from the other one, so that they are sure that the water cannot go in. They start from the bottom and they go up one on the other one. And this is because when water is going on, it just slides from one to the other one. So basically when it will be done, it will look like this one I show you now. And it's very good because from the top you can see just the palm leaf, but from the inside you can see all the structure, and it looks very nice. As this part they are building now is the reception, it will be empty inside, so it will be very nice because you will be able to see all the structure from the inside. So guys, I just swapped the lens. I took the wide lens because I had the zoom in, so I can show you the structure and let you understand how really big it is. So they just started now to put all the pieces together. Have a look. So now that they started, they are going to be very fast because they work on it in a lot of person. It will be probably ready in a couple of days. Now it's for me time to go to work. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you in the next one.